How to fix calls not connecting on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix if you're unable to connect calls on your Instagram. Let's just get right into it. So the first thing you want to do here is obviously go to Instagram and tap on the messages section down below. From here, go to any chat and you usually tap on the call icon at the top. But if you are unable to connect to your call, or if it's saying just connecting, then it probably has to do something with your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable enough internet connection. You can check that by going over to any website, or if you have the app, you can just open fast.com and you should be able to check your internet speed from here. So usually all you need here is somewhere around 5 to 10 Mbps and you're going to be good to go. So as you can see, I have a pretty decent internet speed. So all I have to do here is clear cache from Instagram, long press on Instagram, tap on the I button, then you need to go to storage, tap on clear cache, and you're going to be good to go. The other thing you need to do here is Uh, check if the calls are working on other apps like WhatsApp or your normal phone call. And if they're working and if it has something to do with only Instagram, then you need to uninstall Instagram and reinstall it back again. Just long press on it, tap on uninstall, and you're going to be good to go. And final step is to restart your device because restarting alone can fix a lot of issues, including your calls problems on Instagram. And that's going to be it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.